travelers, and welcome back to our channel, India Nomad Travelers. This is Gandhi, but I'm not in India. I am in Genoa, a beautiful Italian old city at the Mediterranean. I have come here to walk with Mahatma and see what I can find. Beautiful things and exciting things here in Genoa. Okay, let's get started. This is the old harbor where Christopher Columbus learned how to sail. This is a tourist magnet, I think, of Genoa we are walking through here. This is one of the tourist traps here in Genoa, playing soft jazz music, soft lazy jazz. You can have a nice drink.
I'm gonna write words oh so sweet that gonna knock me off my feet. Kisses on the bottom, and I big lady got them on.
Very beautiful. Here you can have your hair made.
And close it all the way you could do. I'm gonna sit right down and write myself a letter and make believe we can, and make believe we can, and make believe we can from you.
Look at this beautiful old house, where some of the not so rich citizens of this city are having a rest all day, I think. Let's go for a little walk here and see if we find some interesting stuff. Carrugis. It is a name for small streets here in Genoa. You can see this is a Carrugis. You don't like to go here in the middle of the night, I think. And when you come to the piazza at the end of the Carrugis, you never know what to find. What is this we have here? Oh, this is just a car and a tree. Lanterna, the Lanterna Quarter. It is a little tourist-like, you can see. And for people from abroad. I think this is very Italian. Cafe Boissy from 1930. Here in the middle of a narrow street. I think this person is demonized. He was not in a shape like that from the beginning. This is the local heroes. Oh, yeah. And a lot of people drinking coffee and having fun. I think this is a daring Carrugis. Oh, it gets darker and darker. It's a little exciting what is going on here. Oh, they look friendly. I think they're friendly, but you never know. Oh, what do you say? Scary. And a lot of Africans. I think this is a place for thieves and hookers, but I'm not sure. This is a real cottage, and it is a little uncertain what category of women these are, I think. Oh. This is absolutely a maze of Carrugis here, and a woman who don't like to be photographed. And that's sure why. And it gets more and more strange. Is that the word? No. Dangerous. I don't know. If it is dangerous, it is more and more dark. Well, I continue walk. In my opinion, it looks like a transsexual couple of men we have got there. But they seem to be very old. And I think we are back in the lights. Wow. I think it is possible to go this way. To get to some civilization down here. What do you say? Yes? Civilization is here. Exploring here a lot of nice places. Suddenly I look to the harbor, but I will go the opposite direction here and see if I can find a place to eat. Here is a vegetable shop, side by side a harbor. Hello! I am just sitting here and being super lucky because I'm going to have Stagioni pizza, a dessert in a cozy Italian restaurant, and for dessert, gelato. Gelato and strawberry and noisette, I think. Oh, take a look at that beauty. This is my favorite pizza, Stagioni. Super duper. Home bar restaurant Illy. Happily. It's a slogan, and I am happy with my ice cream, chocolates, and pistachio and strawberry. Oh, very good.